said, prayer is not just asking, it is a longing of the soul. It is both incredible expression of faith and the humble gesture of surrender towards the divine. Please welcome a group of students from class 6 to sing a prayer song.